Welcome to the channel. Let us discuss about how to open and close an Excel file. Now let us start. To open a file in Excel, launch Microsoft Excel. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Open from the menu that appears. Navigate to the location where the file is stored on your computer using the File Explorer window that appears. Select the file you want to open and click on the Open button. The file will then be opened in Excel, and you can begin working on it. To close a file in Excel, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Close from the menu that appears. If you have made any changes to the file, Excel will ask you if you want to save them before closing the file. If you want to save your changes, click Save and then choose a location to save the file. If you don't want to save your changes, click Don't Save. Once you have decided whether or not to save your changes, Excel will close the file. That's it. These are the basic steps to open and close files in Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe and like the channel.